Troubleshooting app issues on Google TV. Perform these troubleshooting steps when an app doesn't launch, freezes, or when error message appears. Perform the troubleshooting steps in this video. Perform one step at a time and check each time if issue is resolved. Step 1. Clear cache. Press the home button on your remote control. Go to the menu at the top right corner and select Settings. Go to Apps. Select an app that you're having an issue with. In this example, we will use YouTube. Go to Clear Cache. Select OK. Step 2. Go to Clear Data. Warning: Clear Data will delete apps data such as all files, settings, accounts, and databases permanently. To proceed, select OK. Step 3. Force stop the application. Go to Force Stop. Select OK. Step 4. Perform power reset by turning off the TV. Press the power button on your remote control to turn off the TV. Remove the plug for 5 minutes before turning on again. Step 5. Check correct date and time settings. Press the home button on your remote control. Go to the menu at the top right corner and select Settings. Go to System. Select Date and Time. Check if the date and time is correct. Step 6. Check for available software update and install if there is any. Go to About. Select System Software Update. Select Software Update. The update will start the next time you turn off your TV. The update may take up to 10 minutes to complete, and you will not be able to use your TV during this time. Press Close. Step 7. Perform Factory Data Reset. Press the back button to return to the About section under System Settings. Go to Reset. Select Factory Data Reset. Warning: Before you proceed, note that Factory Data Reset deletes all customized settings, data, accounts, and downloaded apps and restores your TV to default settings. If you do not want to proceed with a Factory Data Reset, select Cancel or push the back button on the remote control. If you wish to proceed, select Erase Everything and Yes to confirm. After Factory Data Reset is completed, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the initial setup, then access the application again.